In this video, I show you how to make a $4,000 by copying and pasting, one of the easiest ways to make money online. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The main platform that we will use today to make money online will actually be Amazon, a site that I think more than 90% of you have already heard of, and so most of you probably think it involves selling something. But let me make it clear right away that in no way are you selling anything or dropshipping. You will see how we will use Amazon to get paid, because I will explain everything to you in a second. But the first thing you need to do is go to Amazon website and create a completely free account. To do this, just hold your mouse right here so you can see the new client phrase, and then click the Start Here button right next to it. Then it will take you to this page where you have to enter your email address, name, create password, type the same password again, or just click create your Amazon account. Now that you have your Amazon account, let me explain how and why we will use Amazon to earn money. The way we will make money is through Amazon Kindle. For those of you who don't know, on Amazon Kindle, people sell a variety of ebooks and make amazing money in the process. For example, here we see different ebooks. For example, this ebook sold for $20 and had more than 2,000 reviews. That means at least 20,000 purchases were made, and so $44,000 was made if you factor it in, which is insane. Keep in mind that this is the only ebook that has earned this much. There are many more ebooks with similar numbers. This one sells here for $17 and has had over 60,000 reviews, making $120,000, made with minimal cost, even more than the previous example. There are thousands of examples I could mention here, but I think you get the point. You can earn quite a lot of money by selling books on Amazon. In addition, Amazon's popularity allows you to earn a lot of money from selling books. In fact, it is one of the most popular platforms today. In any case, the point is that it has a lot of potential. Selling those ebooks on Amazon can make a lot of money simply because they are so popular. And another great thing is that once you upload that ebook to Amazon, it stays there forever, and Amazon will promote it for you and get customers to buy it. You won't have to advertise yourself anywhere, so you don't have to be on social media too much. However, if you want to sell ebooks, you must be a writer, which of course requires a certain set of skills, right? Well, actually you don't. That's because in this video I'm going to show you a website that allows you to get ready-made ebooks that you can then buy on Amazon Kindle, sell it, and make a lot of money without it. There is one last thing to do, and that is to go to kdp.amazon.com and then click the login button so you can actually publish your ebooks. And anyway, here you can see more benefits of selling ebooks on Amazon. It literally takes 5 minutes to start publishing an ebook on Amazon, so it will be published basically instantly. And as you can see below, if the person who bought the ebooks is from the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and etc., you will keep 70% of the profit, and many others that were not listed. And those wondering, it's actually available worldwide. There's nowhere Amazon isn't available, that's for sure. With all this said and done, now that you've seen how much potential this book has and how much money every day people are making from selling those ebooks, it's finally time to show you what I've been talking about from the beginning. It is a platform where you can work for your ebooks, which you can sell for a lot of profit. This site is called plrebookclub.com. This is a site where you can find more than 21,000 digital products. As you can see, more importantly for us, with private label right ebooks called PLR ebooks, you can add yourself as an author and sell it if you wish. So as you heard, on this platform you can basically do anything you want to do with ebooks. You can find that you are the author of and actually sell them on Amazon to make thousands of dollars, even if you haven't written actual ebooks by yourself. Additionally, as you can see here, there are over 400 niches, which means you can find an ebook related to just about anything. What do you think is the best selling, whether it is weight loss and fitness game or anything else? You will be able to find it on this site to be able to get an ebook on this site. All you have to do is right now click on start today, and then it will bring you to this page where you can see that you have to invest $15 per month to be able to download 20 ebooks per month. Now, before you click this, I want you to think about me for a moment. You've already seen that an ebook can literally make you over $50,000. So when you think about it, being able to sell 20 ebooks a month doesn't seem so bad now. In addition, there is a big reason why I am showing you this site even though it is not free, and that is because this platform has unique ebooks that you cannot find anywhere else online. If you want, use some other PLR websites that offer you ebooks for free, and you will find that you cannot sell them on Amazon because they have already been used many times. So you can't make money from selling them, but by using ebooks from this site you can earn money from selling them. But you can make a lot of money using ebooks from this site because, as I say, they are unique and you don't have to do anything after downloading and uploading them to Amazon. Finally, you can see that they have a 60-day money-back guarantee they provide, so this function will remove all those risks for you. If you like the site or anything else, you can just ask for a refund and that's it. You don't lose anything. If some you still want a free website, what I recommend you do is Google PLR ebooks and then use some of these ebooks even though they are overused, as I said. But you can find the newest ones that you can use for free and sell on Amazon to make some passive money. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.